Today, we're going to build a Hailfire Droid using 14 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 translucent red plate piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab two of these 1x1 plates with bar handles on the end. So I've got 1x1 plate and the two bar handles on the end. And I'm going to stick those two on the bottom of my 1x2 plates. I stick it on the bottom so that the handles are on the side. Get two of those. And that's where I'm going to attach those wheels to the Hailfire Droid. Now on this 1x2 plate, on the back stud, I'm going to grab a third 1 plate with that handles on the end and stick it so it's just lined up with the other handles like this. And now once I've got that attached, to finish off the body of my Hailfire Droid, I'm going to grab this 2x1 by 2/3 slope piece or curved slope piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that lower end onto the 1x2 plate and have it go up to the 1x1 plate with handles. So I'm going to put that on. And here is the body of my Hailfire Droid. Now, the Hailfire Droid has lots of weapons, so to create the bottom cannon of my Hailfire Droid, I'm going to get a 1x1 rounded plate with 1L bar and stick it onto the front bottom of the 1x1 plate with handles, so the front one, so that that cannon or 1L bar is sticking out the front. Now, to create those top cannons where all those missiles fire out and just overwhelm the clone army with some firepower, I'm going to grab a 1x1 brick with a clip on the side. And what I want to do is I'm going to put that clip onto the top handle and have the hole of the 1x1 brick or the bottom facing forward, because that's going to be like the inside where all those missiles are stored. And so I'm going to do that to both ends. Get that 1x1 brick with the handle, attach it so that hole is in the front, and then you want to kind of angle them. Once you got them in place, you want to angle them up a bit because they're at an angle. They're not up or down or vertical. They're just like kind of slanted out like this. And I've got the armament to my Hailfire Droid. Now all I got to do is make those cool wheels that stick out the sides. And to do that, I'm going to grab a 4x4 round plate with no holes. There's a hole in the center, so 4x4 round plate with a hole in the center, and two 1x1 tiles with a clip on top. So 1x1 tile with clip. And I'm going to find two studs are together, and grab that tile and click it onto the stud so the clips are on the bottom of the wheel and towards the center hole. So I do that 2 times. And once I have those on, I'm going to attach them to the bottom handles that I first built of those 1x1 plates on the bottom. So I just clip them on, then lean the wheel to the correct position, and grab a second one with those 1x1 tiles and clips already attached. So I just did this ahead of time, save some time. Clip them onto the handles, adjust the wheels, and here's our Hailfire Droid. Now this is a LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar design, and I loved it. In fact, it inspired a micro build of a Hailfire Droid I'd done earlier, but in case you missed this calendar, this is how you build that Hailfire Droid that just looks amazing.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.